Hi guys, welcome back to yet another video. Today I'm excited because I am gonna be trying out this product with you guys, and yeah, I know I'm late to the party, but let's get into this video. It's been quite a long time since I bought anything like a deep conditioner or deep treatment or a mask or whatever. So I went online and I wanted to try this. I know I'm late to the party. So this is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. It has shea butter, it has peppermint, and it has apple cider vinegar. So we're gonna try this out together. So my hair is already been washed. I just only shampooed my hair. So I love how Shea Moisture smells. To be honest, it's just kind of like, I don't know, it's kind of fruity. I don't know if it's fruity. Yeah, it smells like I've done something with my hair that is good. So this is how it looks like. I love the color. I don't know if this is gonna be enough for me. I tend to be a little bit handy with my product, so I'm gonna start at the back. I'm going to divide it into two, and then I'm gonna work on this section. Grab it, and this is how it looks like. Yes. I'm gonna start at the ends of my hair, and I'm going to, well, that was enough. Did you just see how that all soaked in? It's like I didn't even apply any product. Oh wow, did you see that? Like, first of all, it feels good on my hair. It also easily absorbs the detangling. I love the detangling. It feels like you can actually just detangle with your fingers and you're good. Okay, so we're gonna use our tangle teaser. Wow, it's so smooth. I love it. I love it. It's so smooth. What? I love it. I love it. What is that? Why is my hair curling up? What is that? Okay. I don't know what's going on, but so the detangling is super easy. It's a very good product that gives like really good sleep. I love that my hair is not tagging, you know? I like to use my tangle teaser like this more than like this. Maybe that's why I had the other little one, because I don't prefer this one. And let me tell you, when you have a product that works good, your wash days are going to be fun. They're going to be easy. You're going to go through them quickly. But when you have a product that is not working for your hair, your wash days are not fun. You're not necessarily happy about them because you don't trust the product, or you feel like your hair is not necessarily reacting to the product. So that's why I'm saying that if you have a good product that you're using, it just doesn't have to be expensive. It just has to work for your hair, you know? Ah, this is our hair, guys. Do you see the shine? This product is giving it shine to my hair. Like, look at that. Let me tell you guys, if you don't want to have a hard time with your natural hair, work in sections. You will literally thank me. Because if there is anything I cannot do with my natural hair, is not work in section. I do everything in section. I style in section, I wash it, I deep condition in section. Like, I cannot do without section. Otherwise, my life is a mess. When I tell you this product is just making my life so easy, it's like, if your hair can do this, you guys, you will love it. That's how we're doing it. This is not me moisturizing. This is me deep treating my hair. Look at that. So I am done. I am so happy with this product because it has been quick, it has been simple. I just feel like I went through my hair like just like that, and I'm done. Look at the shine. Look at the shine on my hair, you guys. Like, I was not moisturizing. I repeat that. I was not moisturizing my hair. I am deep conditioning. I am literally using a mask for this hair, and look at the shine. Boom. This is the pile of hair from this tango teaser, and voila, we're done. So this is what we call shade hairs, guys. Okay, super clean. And this is what it is here. Okay, I'm gonna put a plastic cup. I'm gonna be like this for 30 minutes to let that get into my strands and do its business, and then I will come back when I have washed out my hair. Okay, I will see you guys after 30 minutes. Okay. Okay guys, so it's been 30 minutes. I have just washed my hair in the sink, literally. Yeah, we are ready for the big reveal. My hair felt soft when I was washing it out. I just want to show you guys like this deep conditioner did to my, do you see the shine? My hair is healthy. Oh wow, it's soft. Oh wow, my hair is shining. Oh my god. Okay, so I love deep conditioning. You guys already know, if I haven't said it so many times in this video. On the scale of 1 to 10, I'll give this 10 out of 10 for me. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. I was thinking I'm gonna give it a 9, but I'm actually gonna give it a 10 out of 10 because it actually does what it says it does. Like, my hair feels different, looks different, it looks the part. See that? My hair is moisturized. So I'm gonna be continuing with this product on my wash day, and like I said, I'm gonna be alternating with my fenugreek mask and this deep conditioning mask. So I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my hair, which I'm not gonna show because you guys, I've already shown you how I moisturize my hair. You already know I have a video on how I moisturize my hair for hair growth and hair retention. So I'm gonna leave that in the iCard. I'm not gonna show you in this video because there's nothing that has changed in our routine. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I love to engage with you guys, and I absolutely love all of you who have subscribed to my YouTube channel. And if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, you know what to do. Go down below and subscribe, like this video, and share it with other friends and families. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.